What if one natural oil could fight acne bacteria, unclog pores, calm redness, and balance oily skin without harsh chemicals? For centuries, indigenous Australians relied on a powerful plant to heal wounds, infections, and skin problems long before modern skincare existed. Today, science is finally catching up. In this video, you'll discover how tea tree oil really works on the skin, who should use it, who should avoid it, and how to use it safely for acne, oily skin, clogged pores, and even mature skin. If you're building a minimalist or non-toxic skincare routine, watch until the end because one small mistake with tea tree oil can damage your skin barrier. Tea tree oil is an essential oil steam distilled from the leaves of Melaleuca alternifolia, a plant native to Australia. This oil may look simple, but it contains over 100 biologically active compounds. The most important one is terpenin 4-ol. This compound is responsible for tea tree oil's antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects. Unlike synthetic acne treatments that aggressively strip the skin, tea tree oil works with your skin's natural defense system. That's why it has remained relevant from ancient medicine to modern natural skincare. Let's talk about its science-backed benefits. 1. Tea tree oil for oily skin. Oily skin is not the enemy. The real problem is imbalance. When harsh cleansers strip oil, the skin panics and produces even more oil. Research shows tea tree oil helps regulate sebum production gently. It balances oil without destroying your skin barrier. That's why people with oily or combination skin often see fewer breakouts over time. 2. Antimicrobial power against acne. Acne is not just a surface issue, it's bacterial. Tea tree oil is effective against Cutibacterium acnes, the bacterium responsible for inflammatory acne. Unlike antibiotics, it does not create bacterial resistance, and unlike benzoyl peroxide, it causes far less dryness, peeling, and irritation. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is what turns a clogged pore into a painful red breakout. Tea tree oil calms inflammation at the source. It reduces redness, swelling, and irritation, often within days. This is especially helpful for sensitive or reactive skin types. This makes tea tree oil ideal for long-term acne management. Now let's dive into how to use tea tree oil in our routine and when to use. Tea tree oil for clogged pores. Clogged pores form when oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria get trapped. Tea tree oil penetrates into the pore lining. It dissolves excess sebum while preventing bacterial overgrowth. This makes it effective for blackheads and whiteheads when used correctly. Overuse, however, can irritate the skin. Balance is key. Minimalist skincare routine. Tea tree oil is popular in minimalist skincare for one reason: versatility. One ingredient, multiple uses. You can use it as a spot treatment, a cleanser booster, a natural toner, a moisturizer enhancer. Instead of 10 different products, one well-used ingredient can simplify your routine. Less clutter, more consistency. Tea tree oil for mature skin. Tea tree oil helps protect against environmental stress and calm sensitivity. However, aging skin is thinner and drier. That's why proper dilution is essential. Best carrier oils include rosehip oil, argan oil, and squalane. When balanced correctly, tea tree oil purifies without drying. Safety rules you must follow. Tea tree oil is powerful, but misuse causes problems. Here are the non-negotiable rules. Never apply undiluted tea tree oil to the skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil. Always patch test and wait 24 hours. Use products with 5 to 15% concentration. Avoid eyes, lips, inner ears, and broken skin. Store it away from heat and sunlight. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or treating children, consult a professional first. Tea tree oil is powerful, but misuse causes problems. Here are the non-negotiable rules. Never apply undiluted tea tree oil to the skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil. Always patch test and wait 24 hours. Use products with 5 to 15% concentration. Avoid eyes, lips, inner ears, and broken skin. Store it away from heat and sunlight.
If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or treating children, consult a professional first. Tea tree oil versus conventional treatments. Benzoyl peroxide works faster but causes dryness. Antibiotics work until resistance develops. Tea tree oil works slightly slower but gently and sustainably. Fewer side effects, long-term balance. That's why many dermatologists now recommend it for sensitive, acne-prone skin. Daily and weekly routine to use tea tree oil. Here's how to use tea tree oil correctly. Morning, gentle cleanser, hydrating toner, light moisturizer with SPF. Evening, double cleanse, tea tree oil spot treatment, nourishing night cream. Weekly, clay mask with 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Consistency always beats intensity. Tea tree oil is one of nature's most powerful skincare ingredients when used correctly. Start slow, observe your skin, stay consistent for 4 to 8 weeks. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for science-backed natural skincare, and share this with someone struggling with acne. Your journey to clearer, healthier skin starts now.